So, good afternoon, everybody. First of all, I want to discuss about the yesterday lecture. There is I shown on the diagram the 16 alphabetic direction on compass mainly used in our platform. But 1 point is equal to 11.25. Which one is yesterday? Shopnil Sarkar. Thank you very much for correcting that one. 1 point is equal to 11.25. But alphabetically, so if 1 point, so how many point? 32 point in the compass rose, right? But alphabetically we are using 16 direction on the compass. 16 direction on the compass. Which one you can find out in my diagram. Clear? So today I will discuss with you the abbreviation navigation. I think I already shared with you the page of abbreviations. Second step is navigation. For navigation purpose, we are using all these alphabetic terms, but more few of them is not using nowadays. Suppose SatNav, satellite navigator, no more. That one is upgrading GPS and DGPS. When I first joined on board the ship, during my sea practice, I first use the equipment for find out the position of the vessels, the DECA. That one is called DECA. There are some red. Sir. Yes. Say again. You are broken. All right. I think sometime. Okay, sometime I stuck because signal weak. You know, the internet company is making money but not giving the proper bite to the people. That one is the big problem. Now clear? Yes, sir. All right, thank you. So, when I first joined for sea practice, so I found one equipment as like as one equipment. That one is called DECA. This DECA is, there is some line, you know, yellow, orange, yellow and green line. So all this line is intercept each other and we find out the position. That position is not so correct. After that, we are starting using the SatNav. The SatNav is, at that time, is very few satellite on the orbit of the Earth. So due to the less satellite, we got position. Can you please mute? Can you please stop your mute, please? Excuse me, sir. Okay. So SatNav, satellite navigator, we are using in 1980, 1984, 85, like this. All this satellite navigator is giving signal before fix. Fix means correct position. After that, updated the position when got contact with the satellite. Okay. Nowadays we are using GPS and DGPS. This GPS and DGPS accuracy is more perfect. Error is very less. negligible. The DPS, DGPS and GPS is very DGPS. DGPS is the more perfect. Normally GPS is and GPS almost same version. You know that one is the more accurate. Maybe few meter difference from the perfect position, original position. So today I will discuss with you AIS, GPS, PSS, DDR, BTS, ODAS. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
If you zoom the whiteboard, that we see in
Just 1 minute. Okay. Now I think okay. Eh?
we can read what you're writing, sir.
Later on I will give you the snapshot. All right.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
But you check the page I sent to you, share with you the abbreviation page. Here is navigation, the second step. All this abbreviation you can find out on that page. Okay. All right. So I will discuss with you AIS. What is AIS? AIS is, later on I will send you the picture of AIS and what is AIS, how it's work. Normally that AIS, automatic identification system, automatic identification system. What is automatic identification system? We are using this equipment on board.
Clear, sir. We can't hear you properly.
Just 1 minute.
Yes, sir.
Now how do you read me? Audio is clear? Okay. AIS, how do you read me now? How do you read me? Hello? All right, thank you. Thank you. AIS, automatic identification system. This equipment we are using on board the ships for security purpose. For security purpose. In Chittagong Port Control, also they are maintaining watch regularly the AIS. AIS means automatic identification system. Every vessel have nowadays 300 GT gross tonnage. 300 GT above all vessels are using this AIS mandatory. You know, this AIS you can find out your vessel's positions, course and speed, and you can find out the other vessels, course and speed, name of the vessels, destination of the vessels, last port of call of the vessels. All right, what information you will get from AIS? Latitude, longitude, course of the vessels and speed of the vessels. As well you can find out by this AIS the other vessels informations. The other vessels also can find out your information, not all information, the basic information, where from you sail out, where you are proceeding to, and your next destinations and ETA of that destination. All this information you can find out, and the AIS is connected with the radar also. So nowadays we are using the AIS connecting with the radar or ARPA for avoiding collisions. Okay, I will send the AIS picture and the all right. All right. How? Now I think okay. So AIS is gone. CBTS is Cooperative Buses Traffic System. That one is CBTS, BTMS, BMRS. All this is same, almost same. You know, CBTS is Cooperative Buses Traffic System. That one is some land station we are using where is too much vessels is for example the Malacca state, the Singapore state, there is so many CBTS, Cooperative Buses Traffic Systems. They are monitoring each and every vessels during passing through the TSS. Now TSS, what is TSS? I am going related to this one and that one, and as well BTS, Buses Traffic System. Just 1 minute. All right, now you check. Okay, CBTS. Please, those who are newcomer, please mute your microphone. Otherwise, the sound is interrupted by the outside sound. Please mute your microphone. All right. So AIS, CBTS. Do you understand the CBTS? Cooperative Buses Traffic System. DGPS, Differential Global Positioning System. GPS, Global Positioning System. Everybody have idea about GPS and DGPS? Okay. GPS is nowadays everybody have the GPS facilities in your mobile also, and on board the vessel we are using the GPS or DGPS in a more modified and more powerful GPS and GPPS on your vessels. So I will send you the picture and how GPS is work and how we got the update position on the earth surface. I will send you some picture and as well some video also, and I will explain after finish all these abbreviations. So DGPS and GPS. GPS, Global Positioning System. The upgraded version is DGPS. Differential. Yeah. Differential Global Positioning System. All right. ITCZ is International Intertropical Conversion Zones. Intertropical Conversion Zones. You know, that one is the Earth. That one is 0 degree equator. This one is called equator. Zero degree. These all are latitude, all right? 0 degree, 20 degree, So this interoptical tropical corresponding zones. So near the 0 degree, you know, suppose 5 degree, 0 degree to 5 degree, this zone is called ITCZ. This zone is called ITCZ, intertropical conversion zone. Why this call is called ITCZ? All the low pressure, you know, the cyclone, all the cyclone is starting forming from this area, 5 to 7 degree from this area the cyclone is formed.
Sir, your video is still, sir.
All this the cyclone form in this area. The cyclone forming in this area, ITC zone, and proceeding towards northerly. So this zone is called ITCZ zone. Clear? The ITCZ zone is the zone near equator where the cyclone form, creating the cyclone and proceeding towards northerly. Land bay buoy, land bay, large automatic navigation buoy, large automatic navigation buoy. You know buoy, there is some buoy, colorful buoy on some colorful buoy when in the Kondofuli river as well in the at sea also. Some specialized buoys, very large buoy. This Oras buoy also, that one also one kind of buoy. This buoy is automatic radar reflector or some other all right. Okay, this type of buoy is automatically transmitted the radar reflector fitted on this buoy. Suppose for example Oras buoy. I will send you the Oras buoy's picture. Yellow buoy, big buoy. That one is ocean data acquisition system. Ocean data acquisition system. Ocean data means ocean what type of data? The current, the speed of the current, direction of the current. This current is called, the direction of the current is called set. Set is the direction of the current. Direction of the current, and rate. Rate is the speed of the current. Later on discuss about set and rate. And there is some mathematical problem also, the set and rate. How to find out set and rate when you sail out on the sea? At that time the course shown by the magnetic compass is not correct. So, and due to the ocean current and wind effect, the vessel is cannot possible to follow the exact true course which are showing on the chart. That one we have to calculate the true course, minimize the current effect and the set and the rate of and wind effect. We have to minimize the course. Alright, so that buoy is for example Oras buoy, MCTC and VTS, Vessel Traffic Service. Almost similarly same job. All this MCTC is Marine Communication and Traffic Service. Marine Communication and Traffic Service. The Marine Communication and Traffic Service means the vessels proceeding to, suppose for example if a vessel drop anchor in Chittagong port, the vessel is contacted by BHF or by email to the port control Chittagong, and this system is called communication system, marine communication and traffic service. So port Chittagong port control will give services to the traffic, the vessels waiting on the anchorage for pilotage operation or communicate for other purpose, emergency purpose, anchor dragging or any other purpose. That's what is MCTS. So ODAS clear. SatNav not necessary nowadays. TSS, traffic separation scheme. Traffic separation scheme. Traffic separation scheme is, what is traffic separation scheme? There is a very big traffic separation scheme in Malacca state and Singapore state. The narrow channel, confined space. Suppose here the Malacca state, here Malaysia, here is Malaysia, here is Indonesia, all the Sumatra island, all this island, Indonesia, Malaysia, all right. So when one vessel proceeding to the confined space,